Now we will deal with the worst case analysis. Worst case analysis. It's just like the Monte Carlo analysis where the component tolerances and the number of have wide number of runs, but it's different from the Monte Carlo analysis in such a way that the component values are varied in random in the Monte Carlo analysis. While coming to the worst case analysis, there are no random variations of the component values. Instead, in worst case analysis, there are two types of runs. First one is the sensitivity analysis, and the second one is a final worst case run. In the sensitivity analysis, the model parameters of each of the components are varied, and it can be run in either DC, AC, or in transient analysis. By collecting all the data from the sensitivity analysis, the final worst case run is done, with each component set to its full tolerance to produce the greatest output or the greatest deviation from the nominal signal. So coming to the circuit, let us set the tolerance levels of each circuit to 10%, which can be done by uh, clicking on the component and like changing the tolerance here. Here it is set to 10%. We can edit it and change to whatever value we want. So I set the tolerance level to 10%. In the same way, you have to set the tolerance level for all the circuits to the 10%. And coming to the simulation settings, AC sweep and noise is selected with the logarithmic type. Start frequency of 10 kilohertz and end frequency of 100 kilohertz with the points per decade of 500. And this Monte Carlo analysis option is selected with where we select the worst case sensitivity analysis, and the devices should be varied as dev, not as a lot. In the dev means each of the component is varied discretely, and when we select the option lot, each of all the entire circuit is integratedly varied. But here we are trying to vary each of the component independently, so we have selected dev. And you have to save data from each sensitivity run, because using that data there would be one final worst case run. And go to the more settings, select the minimum. I have selected the minimum value, which selects the minimum current from all the sensitivity runs of each curve. And while doing the minimum value, go to the worst case direction as low. Click OK, and then run it. As we have number of curves, 5 curves, we will have the 5 circuit curves. So just click OK, and now go to the output. Okay, so we'll have different curves. We can adjust the plot. So now when we try to zoom in, like we can see. We can see a different number of curves, and when we just go to the output file, we can see that each of the can see that each of the model parameter is changed, and the change in the current for each of the variation in the model parameter. Here the current is increased by 1.214%, and here the current is decreased by 9.99% from the nominal value. And here the value is like, if the tolerance is increased, when we change the tolerance, is the parameter value increased or decreased. So hence from the worst case analysis we can like get the perfect signal, where perfect frequency where we need a signal. It is usually in the radio circuits and all the different type of circuits where we need a perfect selection of a frequency.